Welcome to SiteMap. We're excited to give you a look at a feature that's at the heart of this revolutionary platform, the Digital Plan Room. The Digital Plan Room empowers our clients to manage their subsurface facility, campus, or property information. Today, we'll show you just how easy this is to use. There are a few ways to view content in the Digital Plan Room, starting with the Recently Accessed Documents widget. Clicking a file from here is one way to view content. You can also access Digital Plan Room content from a job. Once you've clicked into a job, you can view all content associated with the job by clicking on the DPR menu Slide Out tab on the right-hand side of the screen. From there, you'll be able to download these items and view them in your browser. Another option for accessing Digital Plan Room content is by clicking the Digital Plan Room icon in the anchored title bar at the top of the screen. From here, you'll see folders that correspond to the different jobs associated with your SiteMap account. You'll be able to explore the folder's contents in order to access the various associated files. You can view contents within the Digital Plan Room either in a grid view or as a list. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to access Digital Plan Room content within SiteMap. If you have any additional questions, be sure to tap the Help Center icon on the right to find more information. Thanks for watching, and welcome again to SiteMap.